Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something we all face in our lives challenges. Whether it's in our personal lives, our careers, or even in achieving our dreams. We often come up against obstacles that seems insurmountable. But there's one thing that can help us push through these barriers persistence. It's the inner drive that keep us moving forward even things get tough. As the famous inventor Thomas Edison once said, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try one more time. Think about it. How many of us have given up something just moments before breakthrough? It's human nature to feel discouraged, but persistence. Persistence is about overcoming that natural tendency and continuing to work day in and day out towards our goals. In fact, if you look at many of the world's successful people, from athletes to entrepreneurs, the common denominator isn't talent, luck, or resources. It's their ability to persist in the face of failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success. After all, it's part of our journey. So the next time you face setbacks, ask yourself, what if I just tried one more time? What if this failure is the only beginning of my success story? Power of persistence. Thank you.